Take a look at that pile of wood. Just got back from the mill. They've got a huge dump pile, $40 a load, all you can load. So we brought the dump trailer there, 14 by 7, and filled it to the brim. $40, probably at least 3 tons of wood. A lot of it is very useful other than firewood. So we've got a lot of dimensional 1x, 2x4s, some big beams in there. And we're going to be sorting through this. And look at that. Looks like an 8x8 banana. Yeah. But just an amazing pile of wood here. So Mateo's going to go through that. We're going to have we got multiple storms lined up here coming. It looks like storm after storm all January. And I got about 4 cords up right now. Should take us to March. And then we got that pile. But I was also working on the greenhouse here. Shifting over to winter spring crop. Cleaning it out. We took out all this debris. It's probably going to be hot in there. But we can look in nonetheless. And so brought in about 20 cubic feet of compost, new soil, and just getting ready in here to plant. But we've got a couple of really cold days coming, so we can hold off for a bit. Whew, let that air out. Beautiful day here. Calm before the storm and the pile of wood. The $40 pile of wood. Beautiful stuff. It's the pack, Atlas, Halo, and Gremlin.